Next is chemical equation. Okay, so chemical equation is just a representation of our reaction, like what is happening there. We are here we are telling only this paper is burning, so what will happen, temperature is rising, and ash, like the burned ash is forming. We are explaining by speaking only. So how we can represent that using an equation, that is chemical equation. Using an equation we can represent what is happening in that chemical reaction. That is what is this chemical equation. Okay, a chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formula, wherein the reactant entities are given on the left hand side and the product are given on the right hand side. So this chemical equation, nothing you say, it is just what? It is just the representation of a chemical reaction. So when magnesium mixes with oxygen, magnesium oxide is forming. So we are representing this chemical reaction. One chemical reaction is happening, magnesium and oxygen. So this magnesium is a separate different substance, oxygen is a different substance. Both these substances are reacting to form a magnesium oxide, a different product with a different properties. Okay, so we can represent this with the help of an equation, that is this. So the reactant sides, we will separate all the reactants using the plus symbol. Okay, this plus symbol we'll use to represent all the substances separately. And after writing all the reactants, we have to write the arrow mark to show what is the product obtaining. Okay, after this reaction, what it will be changing to magnesium oxide. This is the product. Okay, so this is the way to represent our chemical reaction in a meaningful equation. So reactants are given on the left hand side, products are given on the right hand side. Okay, so just learn this definition and an example for representing a chemical equation. Okay, this is another example. Fe means what? Iron. Okay, Fe means iron. Iron is a solid substance. You have to mention the state also. What state that substance is in, which state you have to mention. Solid state, that is given by this in this bracket. S means what? It is taking place. It is a substance in solid state. Iron plus CuSO4. CuSO4 means, Cu means copper. SO4 means sulfate. Copper sulfate. So copper sulfate is an aqueous solution. It is an aqueous state. When what here it is happening? This iron. This is CuSO4 solution. It will be blue in color. CuSO4 is initially it is blue in color. So in this CuSO4 solution we have put an iron nail. Iron Fe, we have put iron nail inside the CuSO4 solution. So after some time, what happens? A new solution is forming. Look, this solution, this water is entirely different from this now. A new substance is forming. It is blue in color, but this is green in color. That is FeSO4 solution plus what? Cu. FeSO4 in this solution, to this solution Fe is coming to this solution SO4. FeSO4 is forming, and from this solution copper is leaving and it is getting deposited on this iron nail. So this is what happening here. So the entire solution is changed and a new substance is formed. Okay, this is very easy, and this is an important example. This same example is asking repeatedly for the exam. Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Okay, this is very easy. You just want to understand what this iron from the iron nail is mixing with this sulfate solution, and the copper from the sulfate solution is depositing on this iron nail. Only this is happening there. So what type of reaction is this, we will learn in the coming lectures. Okay, so here copper sulfate reacts with iron. Two new substances, that is ferrous sulfate and copper, are formed. Ferrous sulfate and copper, two products are formed. So the products also we have to represent by using plus. Okay, there may be 2, 3 or 4 number of products will be there. All those products we have to separate by using plus sign. Okay.